The snake herb, the silent healer you must know. Welcome, dear listener, to another chapter from Touch of Sexagenarian Herbs Garden. Today, I invite you to sit back, breathe deeply, and prepare to discover a herb so mysterious, so silently powerful, that it has walked through centuries under a single name. The snake herb. At first hearing, the name alone stirs curiosity, perhaps even caution. Why snake? Why would a plant dare to carry such a title? It is because, like the snake itself, this herb hides secrets of survival, healing, and transformation, waiting for those bold enough to unlock them. Now, before we dive deeper, I must tell you this: if you are searching for plants that merely decorate your home, this may not be the herb for you. But, if you are seeking a living guardian, a healer, a quiet warrior against age, disease, and weakness, then, dear friend, you have just met your plant. And if this excites you even a little, don't forget, hit that subscribe button now. Because here, we don't just grow herbs, we grow legends. Let us begin. The snake herb, known in many traditions as Clinacanthus nutans, is not your regular leafy green. It is a plant revered in Asian healing traditions, whispered about in ancient texts, and still guarded by herbalists who know its worth. It carries the name snake herb because of its long-standing reputation as an antidote for snake bites. Yes, you heard right. In villages and forests, when venom threatened life, healers reached for this very leaf. But beyond that dramatic origin, the snake herb has earned a new place in our modern lives, inside our homes, our gardens, and even on our windowsills. Why should you grow it? Because this herb is not just about snake bites, it is about reclaiming health from the poisons of our daily living. The snake herb is packed with compounds that fight inflammation, soothe pain, and chase away infections. For the sexagenarian, for those of us walking gracefully through the years, this herb is a shield. It protects joints from the fire of arthritis. It cools the fevers of infection. It even whispers relief to the skin, calming rashes, bites, and irritations that disturb our peace. Imagine a leaf so soft, yet powerful enough to silence pain. That is the snake herb. How can it be used? The beauty of this herb lies in its versatility. Fresh leaves can be crushed gently and applied to the skin to calm swelling and redness. They can be brewed into a tea, a calming potion that clears heat from the body and strengthens the immune system. Traditional healers often pound the leaves into a paste, applying it to wounds or skin infections. And modern science has confirmed much of what the ancients already knew: this herb works. Think of it as a natural pharmacy in a single pot, a quiet ally on your shelf, waiting for the day you need its touch. Where can it be grown or kept? Here is the best part. This herb is humble. It does not demand much. The snake herb thrives in containers, in small garden corners, or even indoors where sunlight can kiss its leaves. It loves warmth, gentle watering, and soil that breathes. Place it on your balcony, in your backyard, or right by your kitchen window. Unlike the venomous creature it is named after, the snake herb brings no danger, only protection. What does it heal? The list is long, but let us name a few. It eases inflammation, making it a friend for those with aching joints. It relieves skin conditions, eczema, rashes, burns, and insect bites. It supports recovery from infections, especially those that weigh the body down with fever. It has even shown promise in helping the body fight certain chronic illnesses. It is the kind of herb that works quietly, like a snake moving through grass, unseen but powerful, until the moment you need it. Now imagine this: in the cool of the morning, you step out to your garden or balcony. You pluck a leaf, press it between your fingers, and already you feel the soft resilience. You know you hold not just a leaf, but centuries of healing wisdom. This is not ordinary gardening. This is heritage. This is survival. This is empowerment. So, my dear friend, let me leave you with this truth. The snake herb is more than a plant, it is a companion. It is a whisper from nature saying, I am still here. I still heal. Let me stay with you. And if this has sparked something in you, if you feel the pull to bring such a powerful herb into your home, then don't stop here. Join me. Subscribe, stay connected, and together we will uncover more of these timeless treasures that refuse to be forgotten. Because this garden is not just a garden. It is a sanctuary of healing, a library of living medicine. And the snake herb is only the beginning.